Hello, this is super duper awesome Mr. Giddy Pups. So, we've been learning number line. So, we can now see all the many things number lines can do. We can find how many hops from one number to another. And we can also find missing numbers on the number line. We can also use number line to order numbers correctly from smallest to biggest or from biggest to smallest. All right, let's see the activities for this class. Oh my gosh. Okay, the first number. Which letter shows the smallest number? Hmm. If here is 0, if here is 0 and here is 10. So this one close to 0 will be the smallest, and that is, have a think. Pause the video and do all of them. So is M shows the smallest number. Which letter shows the largest number? Of course. Uh, Now, apart from 10 and 0, right? The largest number would be, take a look. What did you get? D. D. There you go here. Which is bigger than M but less than A? It's bigger than this but less than A. Hmm. It's bigger than M but it's less than A. Hmm. And that is C. Which is less than D but bigger than C? Less than D but bigger than C. Less than C but bigger than less than D but bigger than C. Of course, that was A. Oh, that is A. Well done. Another problem with number line. Arrange from the smallest to the biggest. We have 10 and we have 0. Now, is this counting forwards or backwards? Now, because we have the smallest number 0 here and the biggest number, so you're counting backwards. Hmm. So the smallest number is close to 0, and that is T, right? So that's the smallest number, T, and the next is G, yes. And the next is B, and the last is P. Well done. All right, let's try this. Pause the video and have a think of this. Arrange from biggest to smallest. From biggest. So here's the biggest, close to 10. That's the biggest. And close to 0 are the smallest. Okay, so pause the video and have a think of this. Let's see. The biggest is closer, the closest to 0 than that. closest to 10 rather, and that's N. And then the next is E, C, and K. Great. Oh my goodness. So let's use this number line to solve these problems. Take the correct sentence. H is greater than N. So just read every question and think about it. So I'm giving you time. Pause the video and have a think. Is H greater than N? Because we're counting from 0 to 10, and that's counting forwards. The biggest number is closest to 10. Is H greater than N? This is H, closest to the smallest number. Uh, that's not true. H is not greater than N, so wrong. If V is less than R, V is close to 10, and of course is greater than R. So that's wrong. P is less than N. I mean, R is less than N. This is R, and this is N. Yes, R is less than N. V is greater than H. V is close to 10, and H is closest to 0. So that's correct. V is greater than H. H is the biggest. Oh no. In fact, H is the smallest. So only two statements are correct. Well done. Write 7, 2, 5, and 9 in the correct order on a number line. Good luck. Good luck. So try and fix this. So the first thing we can do is to get the middle, the center of between, I've told you before, between 0 and 10 is 5. So we may not get it accurately, but we know 5 is here. And close to 5 should be 7. And backwards, close to 1, and there should be 2. And 9. 9 should be very close to 10. Okay, great job. So, thank you so much. It's a super duper awesome. I'm sure you're learning a lot here. You're here learning a lot. Thank you so much for always being a super duper child that you are. Bye bye.